Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert in your Microsoft Word document line bar. So if you want to that line bar chart in your Word document, so you don't need Excel, just you can customize and modify that one in Microsoft Word. So home insert and here click on chart and here you will see so many style and so this is the line chart, just click on it and make OK. And also you can want to insert bar chart, so click on this insert chart and similar way guys, just now this time select bar. Okay, and you can make changes here as your need. So this is the method guys, you can insert line or bar chart in Word document. Thanks for watching.